Hey guys, so I really want to make a pair of jeans. Am I qualified to make jeans? No. I've made a dress. I've sewn a couple things. I've made stuffed animals, bags, quilts, but jeans seem like, if I can make jeans, then I feel like I can call myself a proper sewist. Okay, so me and my boyfriend are going on a little field trip. I've always wanted to go to the fabric district in LA, but I tried driving there once and got so terrified of all the people and couldn't figure out how to park, so I just turned right back home. But my boyfriend is driving this time, so hopefully we make it. I'm looking to get some jean fabric, like some denim. You got the goods! Let's go home. So I'm back home. I'm at my little crafting table, which is conveniently in the kitchen. I ended up going with this black denim fabric for some jeans for my boyfriend. I've never made pants before, not even elasticated pants, but somehow I feel qualified to try to make jeans. So I got some new needles. These ones are jean specific needles, so they're like really sharp. And then some top stitching needles, some thread. I got some zippers. I got the nice like brass heavy duty zipper. And then I've got the classic like jeans buttons, which will be fun. And then lastly, I got some interfacing. So I don't know if I got the right kind. I got two different ones because I also wanted some for my quilting. Whenever I looked up jeans or any like pants sewing, they're all videos made by people who have sewn jeans or pants 100 times before. And I don't know, I think the project was super daunting, but I just want to see if I can do it. I got all my pattern pieces cut out of my main fabric, and I even have some fun fabric for the pockets, which I think will be super cute. My boyfriend loves to ski, and so to make these jeans extra special, I decided to embroider his favorite mountain, the Tetons. This is definitely the coolest thing I've ever sewed before, and the most complicated, but the pattern is super well written, so I'm having a really good time. It's just taking forever. So it's the end of the day. I'm calling it quits for now. I've been sewing all day. So I'm a bit brain dead, but they're actually looking really cool. My favorite thing is definitely the front pockets. But there's ducks inside. Tomorrow I'm gonna be attempting the zipper. I am terrified, but hopefully it will go well. I ran into some zipper issues, of course. I knew this was gonna be my downfall. I had ordered a longer zipper than what the pattern recommended, but I had seen a ton of YouTube videos saying it was super easy to change the length, so I felt confident that I could fix it. But these zippers are no joke. They're heavy duty. I couldn't pry the zipper teeth off or these little bars. But I got my boyfriend to help me, and after like an hour was able to shorten it. But then I broke it. I like ripped the top right where the stop is. So I was like, oh, god damn it. Of course, if I had just read a little further into the pattern, it tells you that after you sew in your zipper, you need to shorten it to match the waistband. I'm gonna have to rip out the zipper I have currently sewed in. YouTubers lied to me. This is not easy. I ordered this zipper for a pair of jeans I wanted to make myself, but it's shorter. It's 7 inches. So I think this may just work. It's yellow, so it's not exactly the same vibe as the pants, but I don't give a fuck. So I put in the 7-inch zipper. I was like, yeah, I won't have to adjust the zipper at all. But the 7-inch zipper ends right at the waistband. And I think once I add the waistband, I'm still gonna have to take off some of these, which made me want to cry. So that's why I had to take a step back. Along with that, I just couldn't sew anymore. But I want to get these pants done with so I can say I made jeans and forget about it and never make jeans again. The jeans are officially done. I am so happy to be finished. I even got the button and the buttonhole. Don't look too closely. These jeans are by no means perfect, but they look like jeans. These are jeans. I think we can all say that these are jeans. I'm just really happy that I finished. There was definitely a point where I thought I was gonna quit because it was getting really hard, but I persevered. It's not perfect, but it's done. And that's something I hear a lot, especially in the quilting community, is that done is better than perfect, and I totally agree. I often just won't finish projects because I can't get it to be perfect, and I feel like that's such a waste. And they actually fit. My boyfriend, which for part of the project I thought they were gonna be too small. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think you'd be crazy enough to try sewing jeans? Have you guys sewn jeans? If you have any advice for my next pair, please comment down below. I definitely need help. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.